Do you have a large PDF file and only need a few specific pages from it? Downloading the whole document, printing it out, or manually copying content is a waste of time. With VelaPDF's Split PDF tool, you can separate exactly the pages you need in just seconds. No software, no hassle, no stress. Let me show you exactly how it works. VelaPDF is a powerful online PDF toolkit that gives you everything you need to work with PDF files right from your browser. It offers tools for compressing, converting, merging, watermarking, OCR, and document automation. Today, we're focusing on one of its most useful and straightforward tools, the Split PDF tool. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who works with documents regularly, this tool is going to save you a lot of time. How to use Split PDF? Let's jump straight into it. Step 1. Open the tool. Go to VelaPDF.com and open the Split PDF tool from the dashboard. No sign-up required, no installation, just open it and you're ready to go. Step 2. Upload your PDF. Drag and drop your PDF file directly onto the screen or click the Upload button to select it from your device. Your file loads quickly and you're ready for the next step. Step 3. Choose how to split. This is where you decide exactly how you want to divide your document. VelaPDF gives you flexible options. You can extract specific individual pages, split by custom page ranges, or divide the entire document into multiple equal parts. Whatever you need, there's an option for it. Step 4. Select your pages or ranges. Enter the page numbers or ranges you want. For example, if you only need pages 1 to 5 or just page 10 and page 15, simply type that in. It's quick and straightforward. Step 5. Click Split. Hit the Split button and VelaPDF processes your file instantly. The tool handles everything automatically in just a few seconds.
Real use cases. Now let's talk about when this tool actually comes in handy, because honestly, the use cases are everywhere. Students can separate individual chapters from large study materials, so they only keep what's relevant for a specific topic or exam. Professionals working with legal contracts can extract just the key pages they need to review or share without sending the entire document. Teams handling large business reports can divide them into smaller sections and distribute them to the right departments. And freelancers working with client files can pull out specific deliverable pages without touching the rest of the document. No matter what industry you're in, if you work with PDFs, this tool fits into your workflow perfectly.
Why it's useful. The biggest advantage of VelaPDF's Split PDF tool is how fast and simple it is. There's zero learning curve. You don't need to install any software on your computer, you don't need to create an account, and you don't need any technical knowledge. Everything runs directly inside your browser, which means it works on any device, your laptop, tablet, or even your phone. You get professional results in seconds every single time. For anyone who regularly deals with large PDF documents, this tool eliminates one of the most common and annoying tasks in document management. Ready to try it yourself? Head over to VelaPDF.com, open the Split PDF tool, and start splitting your documents in seconds. It's completely free and works right in your browser. No download needed. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss our latest tutorials. Turn on notifications to stay updated whenever we post new content on tech tools, AI, and productivity tips. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.